Okay, today we're going to talk about AWS GuardDuty. GuardDuty is a great service. I would highly recommend you running it in any AWS account that you're using. It provides detective security controls, and it uses machine learning and threat intelligence feeds and a variety of data sources from within AWS to detect anything within your environment that might suggest that it's been compromised. For example, if you've got an EC2 host that has been breached by an attacker, that attacker will often get that host to connect to a command and control host to send it further commands. GuardDuty would detect that and it would send an alert via Amazon EventBridge. We have a separate tutorial on EventBridge if you're not sure how that works, but you can then use that to trigger basically any other AWS service. For example, a Lambda function to post a message on Slack and notify the team that you have a host that looks like it may have been compromised. That's all for today. See you again next time.